First, open Canva. Go to Projects, then Create Design. Type in YouTube banner and click the option. You can start from scratch or choose a template. Try to get an idea of what type of banner you want. Your banner should represent your brand or channel. It can be as simple or as complex as you want. Let's start from scratch. I'm going to pick a color that represents my brand. For my banner, I'm just going to type out my channel name. I'm picking out a typeface that feels like me. I guess this channel is graphic design and the branding is just me. So I'm just gonna go with something that's a little artsy, a little professional, a little fun, a little groovy. The way you stylize your type will impact how viewers perceive your channel. So if you type your text in all caps, it's gonna feel really bold and aggressive, and maybe your viewers think that you're screaming at them, something like that. If you want, you can grab a YouTube banner template online to see what your design will look like on YouTube. Grab an image like this on Google and place it into Canva, then turn the opacity down. You're going to need to push this layer back behind your design and lock it. This will be a graphic design tutorial channel, so I'm adding those words here so new viewers will easily understand what this channel is and what type of videos they can find here. I want to spice up this design, so let's add something to the background. Make sure your background doesn't compete for attention or make your text hard to read. When you're happy with your design, you can save it to your computer. Make sure to save your image as a JPEG, as PNGs will lower your resolution. Or they're just not gonna look as nice, I guess, as a JPEG. Now, go to YouTube Studio, head to Customization, click Upload, and click on the file you just downloaded. Click Done, and go to your channel to check out your new banner.